I'm attracting squishies. Hey, I itchy. What? Were you looking at me? Peace out, dudes. Peace out. Cause my eyes can't stand it. I said stand it. No, stand it. Whatever. Ready for squishies. If you've seen the other video, go down below. No, don't go down below, actually. Watch the other video. Squishies. 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 We're doing squishies, okay? Oh, I missed. Bye! Oh, you can't see me? You can't see. Oh. Whatever. Bye. I said bye. I did it. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're back. Squishy. One more squishy. Oh my God. One more time. That was fun. La la la. Fixing. 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 Oops. I almost threw this. Well, it's cool. If you read it, it's an easy pass. Easy pass? Yeah, it's an easy pass. Haha, Central. Central. Troll-lo-lo-lo-lo-lo-lo. Whatever. Seriously, I don't have music on. This is the music. That's all the music over there. Popcorn, what should I do? I'll show you around and look at you. Roll them up. Roll them up. Oh! Squishies. I made a mistake. Let's do that again. With the beat, make the beat with the pants and me. One more time. Look, emoji. Dang it, missed. I'm talking about like, hey look, a squishy. It's infected. Oops, sorry I farted. It's affected, see? Affected. Dang it. That was your fault. That was me. Stuff up. But there's some more squishies just on my head. KK, there's no more squishies. Okay, I'm Stanley. Gonna leave the episode right here. Just one more time. No more time. Like, you're gonna be excited, but then you're like, no, can't stop now. The video.